Hi, my name's Marty Englander, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a realistic walkthrough on how you as a small business owner or general business owner or freelancer or someone who's just got a product and you want to get it ranking well on YouTube, on Google. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using a software called Video Marketing Blaster Pro. So if that's the sort of thing that you're interested in, and quite frankly you don't want to be spending tons and tons of money on SEO and all of that stuff, stay tuned. Okay, so if you've never heard of Video Marketing Blaster, or if you've seen an ad for it and you're not quite sure how this can be applied to your products, well, I'm going to show you pretty fast how we can get top rankings for almost any niche we go into, but you need to do it the right way, otherwise you're just not going to get results. Now, before we start, this isn't about getting millions and millions of views on your YouTube videos. It's about getting a targeted video in front of a targeted audience. I have plenty of videos which only have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 views per month, but out of them I probably get a 40% click-through rate and then maybe a 20 to 30% conversion rate. So it's not about the views, it's about getting the message in front of your target audience, because when that happens you get the leads and then you get the conversions. So let's go into the software. It's a software that I've been using for quite some time and I've been pretty happy with it, if I'm going to be honest. I've basically bought the whole suite. This is my second account with them. This is one I use for demo videos and stuff like that. So what you can see, this is Video Marketing Blaster right here. I'm just going to make it a little bigger for you. And what you'll see instantly is 2 training videos, and then you've got popular searches here. Okay, so you can cater for keywords for a specific country, but we're going to ignore these because I don't consider these as buying keywords. Okay, now usually what you have to do is go to Google Keyword Planner or use an SEO keyword finder tool, but with Video Marketing Blaster Pro you don't, because it's all in the software, which is really nice. You've got a centralized area to find